Assalamu alaikum. I am Shutan Devnath. This presentation is presented to our respected teacher Mohdadi Rahman sir. The topic of my presentation is pandas in Python. Today I will be talking about pandas in Python. Pandas is one of the most popular in Python libraries used for data handling and analytics. It is completely open source and very easy to use, even for beginners. In short, pandas make working with data much faster, easier, and more powerful. Now moving to the next slide. Now let's talk about why pandas is important. Pandas is important because it helps us save a lot of time, effort in data analysis. It can handle large data sets very efficiently. It provides tools to clean, filter, and transform data. It is widely used in data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. For example, instead of writing long codes with normal Python list, pandas lets us do the same task in just few lines of code. Now moving to the next slide. Now let's talk about data structure in pandas. Pandas mainly provides three data structure. Number one, series, which is used for one-dimensional data. Number two, data frame, which is used for two-dimensional data. Number three, panel, which is used for three-dimensional data. Now I am moving to the next slide. Now let's talk about pandas series. A pandas series is a one-dimensional object very similar to an array or a list in Python. The difference is that a series has labels or indexes, which makes it much easier to access and analyze data. For example, if we stored the marks of 5 students in a series, each mark will have a label. Now I am moving to the next slide. Now talk about pandas data frame. Pandas data frame is a two-dimensional data structure. You can think of it as a table with row and column, similar to an Excel spreadsheet. For example, if we want to store data of students with their name, ID, and mark, then each student's information will be in a row, and the column will be name, ID, and mark. Now moving to the next slide. Now talk about data input in pandas. One of the feature of the pandas is that it allows us to read data from many different sources. For example, we can import data from CSV files, Excel files, and even from databases like SQL. Now moving to the next slide. Data cleaning. Data is rarely perfect. In real world situation, data usually has problems like missing values, duplicates, or wrong formats. Pandas provides a very simple method to clean this data. Now I am moving to the next slide. Now data analysis with pandas. Data cleaning, after cleaning the data, the next step is data analysis. Pandas helps us to analyze data by providing many built-in functions. We can sort data in ascending or descending order. We can filter information such as selecting only students who scored above 80. We can group data by grouping series by region or month. Now I am moving to the next slide. Data visualization with pandas. Another powerful use of pandas is data visualization. Although the panda is not a visualization library itself, it has already built-in support for creating simple chart like uh, line chart and bar chart. If often works together with multiple or Chevron to make more advanced graphs. Now I'm moving to the next slide, which is the last slide of my presentation, which is about. Now I am in conclusion. Pandas is a very powerful and user-friendly library in Python. It allows us to import, clean, analyze, and visualize data with So that was my presentation. I want to thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.